babe.
They're the ones I like to crack in with. Yes.
Yeah. I like that one.
A lot of boomers in my heart.
Yeah, I know. You might have a problem with that.
About everything. I went through 3 umbrellas in the last 2 weeks.
Oh, I like that.
Look at the airplane.
Yeah. The people in the plane are getting a nice.
And for all we know, they can see like 3 more shows.
Yeah, they can too.
Could see fireworks landed on the plane.